So today we're going to do another challenge. This is the whisper challenge.
Oh yes.
So before we get into that, we have to do a quote. So the quote for today is, learn to collect moments, not things.
That's true.
So learn to collect moments, not things. So you see that some moment, moment is the most
Important.
or a cherishing thing or important thing. As long as you have your memory intact, your memories will always be with you. And something that cannot be destroyed or take away from you.
Yeah.
Your memories, your moments,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And memory can keep you happy.
Right. Because you just remember, sometimes I remember when you look at it, you say, boy, I remember when we used to go down a river.
Oh yes.
And we used to do this and you make you feel happy, because you live the memory already.
True.
I live through the moments.
Yes.
So yes. So today we're gonna do the whisper challenge.
Yeah.
Where we're gonna have the earpiece in your ears, and somebody gonna talk to you, and you're gonna try to figure out what the person is saying.
Yes.
So that we're gonna do. So no half mark, full marks. Cause if Tanya is there, Tanya that say she want half mark, we're gonna tell her say no half mark.
Teacher get half marks.
Right. So full marks. Right. So we're gonna do. So we're gonna do it alternately.
Yeah.
So maybe me and Brittany can give Ruthie the thing, feel like she'll have something in her ears and we're gonna talk and she'll go try to figure out what me and say. And then after she don't know, she and Brittany can give me, and anybody want to come up and give you something, and that's how we're gonna do it. Right. True. So let's get into it.
Let's get into the video.
Right. So Brittany, come. What you tell Ruthie to say? Last night I was walking my fish.
What?
Last night I was walking my fish.
Last night somebody eat somebody's fish.
No, try again. Last night I was walking my fish. Last night I was walking my fish.
Somebody fish.
Let me try. Can I try?
Yeah,
Okay.
a 3 chance.
Last night I was walking my.
Okay. Wait.
Last night I was walking my fish.
Last night, me go run till me finish.
I don't know.
Me not get it.
No, take out it.
Oh, yeah.
Last night I was walking my fish.
Oh, God.
Alright, Brittany's turn now, so we're going to tell her, say the rain is falling. So, Brittany, the rain is falling. The rain is falling. Let me say, oh, she laugh. The rain is falling.
Yeah.
The rain is falling.
The rain was falling.
Close.
The rain is falling.
Yes. Alright. We can get here to slow down.
The donkey moonwalk on the moon. The donkey moonwalk on the moon.
Read that it's easy. The donkey moonwalk on the moon.
Oh, you get that?
We get it. We don't know. We just see it in there. We just get it.
Right,
And me not hear good in the camera. Me not hear them talking about me. Just read her. Read her. They say the donkey moonwalk on the moon.
Yeah, and then.
Right,
Yes.
you feel like we can't go beat Michelle.
No, they say that. No, anytime when they say that, me not win.
My turn now. My turn now.
Yeah. What we going to tell Ruthie say now? The flowers run on the hill. We're gonna say the flowers run on the hill. Right.
Okay.
Ruthie.
The flowers run on hill.
Come again.
The flowers run on hill.
We now read it.
Alright, one more. The flowers run on the hill.
The flower on the aisle.
Go again. The flowers run on the hill.
Come again.
The flowers run on the hill.
Something more towel.
can't do this. This is really bad.
I come. One more time.
One more time.
Right. So the flowers run on the hill. Say it again,
Alright, come,
one
come,
last
come.
time.
Okay.
So, is
Alright.
that
The
The
flower
Don't
Flower.
say it so soft, come.
run on the hill.
roll on the hill. The flowers roll on the hill.
No, I go on.
Run.
You know, I don't take off, you know, roll it up, I run on the hill. The flowers run on the hill.
Oh, the flower
Yes.
run on the hill.
Yes.
That's so funny.
I come big time. So we're going to tell her, say, the sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
Green grass.
You want to tell her, or you want me to tell her?
You tell her, my lip come
Alright,
like
come.
say give it.
The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
What?
The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
Yeah, you what you say? The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green. The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
Try.
Look at me.
Try.
The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
This something.
Come again. The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
This something go somewhere.
It goes somewhere be true, but the sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
Brittany, come. One more time.
Look for Ruthie now. Look for Ruthie. One last time.
The sky is cloudy, but the grass is green.
Alright, take you out, Michell. Okay, your time done now. Come, take out. No, done. Time done. 3 times if you don't drink, we are dry out.
I want them say.
Come now. Come. Listen. You say the sky is cloudy, but the grass is green. Never get it done.
So they say,
Father build the house big.
yeah,
Build the house big.
Father build the house big.
Father build the house big. Father build the house big.
Father build the house, PPP.
No.
What?
Okay, come wait.
Again.
Father build the house big.
Father build the house, PPP.
Father build the house big.
Pippi.
Father build the house big.
Ah.
Father build the house big.
Father build the house brick pan brick.
Father build the house big.
We said third time.
Father build the house. That's on the right. But the last part me now get
Big.
big.
Yeah.
Oh.
So Father build the house
So
big.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not more than time.
Not bad.
Guys, you can't beat her.
She got it, man.
Can't beat her.
Why?
Alright.
We are gonna tell her up and away over the hill. Right. So Ruthie. Up and away over the hill. Up and away over the hill. Up and away over the hill.
Up on the way to the hill.
Okay, let me try now.
Mm-hmm.
Up and away to the hill.
And a
Up
two.
over the hill.
Up and away over the hill.
Up over the
Up and up
And away.
and up and away over the hill. Alright.
Up and away over the hill.
Up on some way to hill.
You're close. Up and away over the hill.
Up on the way over the hill.
Right.
Up on the way.
Yes, right.
Oh, me get it?
Yeah.
Me get it?
Yes, you get it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna tell her watermelon sugar high.
Sugar.
Yeah. So watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Yeah, one with it.
Watermelon sugar high.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Me focus on the music.
Alright,
Dirt.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Water. Something.
Melon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Water something.
Watermelon sugar high.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
And you can't tell what kind of music share. Listen to it, comment down below.
Alright, are you ready? Are you ready?
You're ready, comment there. Can't say that.
The oyster post so blue, you can see.
Also, put so blue, please. Okay, go on, see.
The oyster post so blue, you couldn't see it.
I say in a pop, what it? Yeah.
The oyster with so blue, you.
Turn up a little bit. Can we talk louder and go yeah?
Let me try. Well,
Me no hear so good enough, but me know me go hear.
Change.
Hey! Whoa!
alright.
Alright, come now.
Come, alright.
Okay.
Also, put so blue.
No, I was changing it down.
Alright, change it up.
The oyster so blue, it blending in the sky. No, the oyster was on the mountain, so it blending in the sky.
Also, upon the hill. Yeah.
Oyster,
Pan-
oyster on the hill.
Patter.
The oyster on the hill.
House around on the hill.
The oyster on the hill.
The house down the hill.
The oyster on the hill.
Also, upon the hill.
The house up on the hill.
Also, upon the hill, Michelle.
Eh?
Also, upon the hill.
The house up on the hill.
Also, upon the hill.
The house on the hill.
Also, upon the hill.
The on the hill.
Also, upon the hill.
Oh, Jay.
Also, upon the hill.
The house up on the hill.
No, the house upon
Mm-hmm.
the house upon the hill.
Me just hear the house. Me just see the house up on the hill. And that me a see. Like me say house, I say the on the hill. And that me see.
Yeah, you're right.
And that just say,
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah, long time.
Okay.
That
So
was
this one is she sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore.
what?
See me can. She sells seashell on the seashore. Seashore.
Mr. Sure.
Yes. What? She sells seashells on the seashore.
Oh, she sells seashell on the seashore.
Cause she know that I was tell us that she catch she go she know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt.
Right. So hungry.
Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt. Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt. Hey, Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt. Hey, Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt.
Ding dong crew can do the dirt. Mm-hmm.
Dirt.
Ding dong crew can do the dirt. Ding dong crew can do the dirt. Ding dong crew can do the dirt. No, you want this to go ahead. Where you go closer. Ding dong crew can do the dirt.
Yango.
No. Hey, listen. Ding dong crew
Me say
can do
yango.
the dirt. Ding dong crew can do the dirt.
Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt.
When I go down there?
You, why not good tongue there? Ding dong crew can do the dirt. Ding dong crew can do the dirt.
Ding Dong Crew
Look
can
at
do
Ruthie.
the dirt. Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt. Ding Dong Crew can do the dirt. Did I get it?
Ding dong, one last time. Ding dong crew can do the dirt.
Ding dong go down there.
No, take off it now. Watch it. Ding dong crew can do the dirt. That was said.
That was a Ding Dong Crew can do the
Me
dirt.
never hear that. Never
Now
hear
go
that.
in for ear. If you
Exactly.
read.
Pink sky, blue sky, everything sky high.
I feel like Hulk.
Hey! Michelle! That's how you give a vibe, you know.
What? You tell them about it?
No.
So,
Yeah, we can say that's how you give you a vibe.
That song I give you a vibe.
That song you give me a vibe. She just sing hook, right? That song you give me a vibe. That song you give me a vibe.
What you say?
This song give us a vibe.
Patwa.
This song. Wait. No, don't think about it. This song give a vibe. This song give a vibe.
This song, as you said, when you are saying, me not
You
get
say this song give you a vibe.
this song
This song give you a vibe.
is a vibe.
This song give you a vibe.
This song is a vibe.
That song give you a vibe.
No.
This song give you a vibe. Better tell her.
This song give a vibe.
This is a vibe.
This song give a vibe.
This a gear vibe.
This song give you a vibe.
This a gear vibe.
No.
Yeah, only.
Oh.
This song give a vibe.
This song give you a vibe. I almost get it. This song give you a vibe.
This me don't know. Alright, where's it go? Where's it?
This song give you a vibe.
This song gear vibe.
Yeah.
Oh, me just say this song gear vibe. That
Yeah.
is so pretty.
Pick up something, anything. Run time to
Pick up something. Anything.
anything. Grab something. Pick up something. Run.
So we're gonna say
The
the grass is green on the hillside.
Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's that routine. Come. Hey, come now.
Let me start.
Don't no say it slow enough.
Okay.
Come.
The grass is green on the hillside. The grass is green on the hillside.
I get that.
The grass is green on the hillside. The grass is green on the hillside.
Roadside. Somebody live on the roadside.
No. The grass is green on the hillside.
Run. What?
The grass is green on the hillside.
Race, run. Rabbit, run, race.
No.
Actually, yeah,
The grass is green on the hillside.
Oh, rat live inside.
No. One more time.
Okay, let me try.
Try it.
The grass is green on the hillside.
We not get it.
The grass is green on the hillside.
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Let me tell you now. Okay, alright, let me get one more time. One more. The grass is green on the hillside.
Oh, God. It's impossible.
Alright, done then. So, the grass is green on the hillside.
What?
Alright, Ruthie, done. The time, done.
Oh,
done,
plug out
done.
it. Oh, plug out. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, the grass is green on the hillside.
No, we could never get that.
Where we may could get that?
You know,
The grass is green on the hillside.
It's not like rat running
So,
inside.
we're going to tell her, I love cheese.
I love cheese.
Yeah.
Cheese.
I want to give it to you.
Come. I love cheese.
I love cheese. You sure?
Oh, you get it.
Eh?
I love cheese.
Eh?
I love cheese.
I love cheese.
I love cheese.
What is it?
I love cheese. She get it.
Me and Michelle, I love cheese.
You get it too quick, man.
Yeah.
Too quick, Brittany. Come.
Too quick.
At first one she get right?
Yeah.
No, she get two.
No, yeah.
Watermelon sugar
What's that?
high. Two of them, yeah. And they get watermelon sugar high and then the I love cheese. That was
So, we're going to say, we're going to Burger King, we're going to buy a Whopper and a box milk. Box drinks. Box drinks.
Oh God, Burger King, we're gonna buy one zinger, a Whopper, maybe, and one box drinks.
That's it?
Oh God, Burger King, we're gonna buy one Whopper and a box drink.
Me no say something about buy, but me no know nothing else.
We got Burger King, we're going to buy one Whopper and one box drinks.
What about one Whopper and box drinks?
We got Burger King, we're going to buy one Whopper and box drinks.
One Whopper and box drinks?
When we got Burger King, we're going to buy one Whopper and one
Oh, when I got Burger King, I buy one Whopper and box drinks?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, she got it.
Yes, guys. So, I'm the winner.
She's it's about man.
Yes.
You know how she
Make
get
one
them.
away.
No.
You know how she
Yeah.
get them, honestly.
So you go life. But this brings us to the end of our video.
Yeah.
And thank you for watching again. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So, bye.
Bye,
And
guys.
do the right thing.
Bye.
Bye. Watching our video and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're going to leave on with one phrase. You see, after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right thing.
do the right thing. Listen, we do the